Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to present a food dish using an easy method. First, select a plate that complements your food without overwhelming it. A plain white or light-colored plate often works best. Next, consider the main component of your dish and make it the star. Arrange it thoughtfully, perhaps slightly off-center to draw the eye. Finally, think about adding elements that offer a nice contrast in color and texture. Once your main ingredient is positioned, start adding the other components. Begin with larger items like vegetables or starches, placing them to support the main element. Then, carefully apply any sauces or drizzles. You can create a swirl, a line, or small dots to enhance the presentation. A little goes a long way here. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a dash of spice for a pop of color and aroma. Achieving balance is key to an appealing presentation. Don't overcrowd the plate. Leaving some negative space allows each component to stand out. Every item on the plate should be edible and contribute to the overall flavor profile. Before serving, take a moment to wipe the rim of the plate clean. This small step makes a big difference, giving your dish a polished and professional appearance. With these simple techniques, you can easily elevate your home cooking to restaurant quality. Don't be afraid to experiment with different garnishes, plate shapes, and arrangements. Practice makes perfect, and you'll soon develop your own signature style. Remember, presentation is about enhancing the dining experience. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with smart technology.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.